Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. In this one we're going to be looking into Ford stock ticker F. So to get straight into it, obviously you can see we are starting to pull back. We did have a big gap down and it looks like we may continue this downward trend. A bit of a bounce intraday, but again wasn't able to fill that gap, looking a bit more weak. Now what happened? So obviously at $14 we do have a resistance, and at $14.50 we also have our other first deviation resistance. So coming into these levels again we would turn more bearish looking at the stock. But we haven't quite hit either of these. So again, right now it's kind of in a, I would say, a range I'm not looking to trade, because between $13 and $11.50, that is statistical mean. That is basically fair value. Trading a stock within this area. Again, there is, at least from how I trade, no trading edge to trade within this area. So never am I looking to take trades within here. So really, as of right now, I'm waiting for nothing. I'm waiting for a break to either up or down before I can trade it. From $14, I'm looking at it more short buys. For further resistances and more short bias levels, I'm also paying attention to $16, $16.50, and final levels taking us all the way out to around $17.25, $19, and a final one at $21. Again, overall markets are quite weak, so I would probably expect more the lower levels to hit, and if they're coming to it, then $10 will be that first kind of key support I'm paying attention to. Yes, we have a support at $11.60, but that lines up with our statistical mean on the 1 year. So again, just a lot of more risk than I would like on that level. And again, I could just find another stock that has basically the same setup, but only coming into a deviation and not its statistical mean. So again, the probability will always be in my favor if I do that. So again, that's why I don't force opportunities, especially when using something like standard deviation, because there will always be another alternative, or again, just be patient. So if I'm looking to trade forward, again, 10.20 is going to be my first entry I'm paying attention to, because it will be a 52-week low, which is obviously going to make the trade, I guess, less risk, because you are getting in at that low of the year. But also it is our deviation. If it broke that, we do have final levels at $9, $8.80. Again, this would be really my key one. Quite unlikely that we get them soon, but if we do, this is where I'd probably be looking at it, even maybe from the investment account. Probably not holding it for decades, but just getting it, maybe hold it for a year, because I would imagine it would probably get a nice bounce coming into that level. And then with final levels going down to around $6.90, $7.40, and a final one at $4.30. So again, these are support and resistances on Ford. I provide both the support and resistance, so whether you're a short or long bias trader, or if I have a personal bias, again, it doesn't affect the outcome of the video. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video.